Hey, this is Keith from eFramework Pro, and today I wanted to talk to you about the GoHighLevel CRM platform, and specifically within that platform, I wanted to talk to you about the media storage. So let's dive in, shall we? All right, before that loops again, it's Coach Keith here, and I'm glad to have you guys along. Let's dive right in. Okay, so today we're looking at the media storage within GoHighLevel. If we go over here and look at this, we're working specifically with a T business today. And as we scroll all the way down, the links on the left side, excuse me, in the GoHighLevel platform, we'll find media storage. You click on that, and then within media storage, one of the first things you're going to want to do for your business is to upload your pictures, your PDFs, your documents, your logos, all the things that you're going to use in your marketing. Now, here's a little drop down here. This shows all, shows my media, shows backgrounds. You can also use, GoHighLevel gives you Unsplash for royalty free. Just search a term and then it pops up. And all these pictures, and they're not the best, but they're royalty free and you don't have to worry about a license for them, which is important. And then Pixabay also same thing. And let's talk about a couple of these buttons over here in the media storage. You can connect your Google Drive. And if you haven't created a Google Drive for your business, I suggest that you do it, because Google Drive is a good way that you can create shared drives and workspaces to collaborate with other people and employees within your company. Also, they have a button here where you can create an image using AI. And you tell AI exactly what you want, and then it creates an image for you. Also, we have the little folder here with the plus. So you can also create a folder hierarchy, which I strongly recommend, and I'll talk about that shortly. And then we have upload, and this is where you can upload just from your computer, whatever file you want to upload. But that's the media storage. One of the first things that you're going to want to do in GoHighLevel is to start to import or upload your media into the storage. So at any rate, I hope that serves you today. We talked about media storage. Now, I will say this, optimization is crucial for scalability, okay? You want to set up clear folder structure from the get-go, because you don't want to have to waste time searching through hundreds and hundreds of files to try to find a file, especially if you forget what you named it. You can name your different folders like email templates or social media assets or client logos. And like I said, it just prevents a bunch of chaos, if I could talk correctly today, a bunch of chaos in the future trying to find things and pulling your hair out, especially if you wanted to move from point A to point B. It's just a complete time saver. I hope this serves you well today. It's Coach Keith signing off. See ya. Have a great day.